You're right there.
How are you?
Yeah, not bad.
Good. My husband dropped his work phone.
Ooh, okay.
So,
not fun.
Yeah, so the screen's cracked.
Okay. We have the original screen, which is $199.99, or the aftermarket screen, which is $79.99.
I mean, I think the whole phone costs like £200.
Yeah.
So let's go
yeah.
for the cheaper
The
screen.
aftermarket. Fair enough. Yeah.
How long will it take?
Should take around 45 minutes.
Oh,
an
amazing.
Yeah.
Great.
Does that work?
Yeah, my kid goes, oh yeah, I'll come by then later and pick it up.
Easy.
Perfect.
Whenever. And did you want a screen protector to put on it as well? I could chuck one on for a tenner.
Yes.
Yeah. At least then, hopefully you won't have to come back too soon.
He's actually quite good with his phones. I don't know how this has happened.
Yeah. Happens to the best of us.
Yeah.
I'll give you a call as soon as it's done, alright?
Perfect.
Thanks a lot. See ya.
Hello, how you doing?
Hi, you right.
My wife dropped off my phone this morning.
XR?
iPhone XR, yeah.
Perfect, mate. Alright.
Awesome.
Should be much better now.
Thanks, man.
I put a screen protector on as well, so
Awesome.
yeah,
Man.
it should all be good.
Thanks.
Touch is much better.
Yeah, that's nice. I
Yeah.
pushed it as far as I could.
Yeah, fair enough.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, man.
Really appreciate it.
Alright, cheers, mate.
Cheers, man.